guys, welcome back. Today, no Japanese candy, but I'm going to review some glasses that I bought. They aren't ordinary glasses, they are watch repair magnifier with LED light glasses. I bought them for €12.50, but you can get them for $5 to $7. And I bought them because they looked like steampunk glasses, and I always wanted some magnifying glasses because you can look at books or plants, etc. But I use them for random stuff. They look like this. You can see the LED lights over here. Strong lights. And yeah, people use them to repair glasses, obviously, but you can use them for all kinds of things. You can move this, and I did put them on and looked at an envelope. The letters were, I think, black, and you could see inside of the letters you could see some red spots. And I looked at my hand, and it was very it had a lot of details, and it looks like this. Now you just can't see anything. It has to be like this close up to see something. I don't know if you guys can see something if I do this. Those were my lips. In a month I'm going to Hungary, and I'm planning to use them there. I bought two, also one for my boyfriend, and we can look at books together. But I'm really happy with them, and I think they are not that expensive, and I can always decorate my home or something. You can turn on the lights, you can do this, you can do that, like this, but it looks really weird. I feel like a mad scientist or something. But yeah, I'm happy I did that, and I like these kind of things. They're just awesome, and I feel like someone from the 16th century or a doctor experimenting on something. Well, that was it for today. I hope you liked this, and till the next time. Bye guys!